The Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum is an all-in-one station for hands-free cleaning, equipped with mop pads that are washed and dried to prevent bad odors and bacterial growth, and a dust bin that self-empties into a large-capacity dust bag. This vacuum boasts a powerful 8,000 Pascal suction capacity, ensuring a deep clean that effortlessly removes hidden debris in carpets, including pet hair. The Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum features an advanced MopMaster 2.0 system that rotates 180 times per minute and applies 1 kilogram of downward pressure to eradicate stains and leave floors shining. The vacuum is also equipped with advanced AI.See Smart Cleaning technology, which is capable of identifying over 100 different objects, even in low-light conditions, allowing for a customized cleaning routine. The automatic detangling roller brush is another standout feature of the Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum, as it rotates in reverse and uses a Pro-Detangle Comb to remove hair wrapped around the roller brush. Lastly, the Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum utilizes iPath laser navigation to create efficient cleaning routes and customizable AI Map 2.0 to designate no-go zones and virtual boundaries.